In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Skype credit for international calls. Whether you're looking to keep in touch with family and friends across the globe, or you need to conduct business internationally, having Skype credit can be a game changer for making affordable international calls. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, head over to the Skype website. You'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on that. If you're not already logged into your account, you'll be prompted to sign in. Remember, it's essential to ensure you're entering your details on the official Skype website to keep your information secure. Once you're signed in, you'll notice your credit balance displayed prominently. If you're new to Skype or haven't purchased credit before, it might show as 0 or prompt you to add credit. This is your portal to adding more talk time, so go ahead and click on your credit balance to proceed. The next step is to choose your destination. Skype needs to know where you'll be calling most frequently to provide you with the best rates and packages tailored to your calling needs. Make your selection from the drop-down menu and then click Continue. This keeps the process streamlined and ensures you're getting exactly what you need. The crux of the purchase is entering your payment details. You'll be directed to a secure page where you'll be asked to input your credit card information. Ensure you're entering the details correctly to avoid any payment issues. Remember, it's vital to check that your internet connection is secure to protect your personal information during this step. Finally, after double checking your details and confirming the amount of Skype credit you're purchasing, click on Pay Now. And that's it, you've successfully added credit to your Skype account, ready to use for international calls. A little tip, keep an eye on your email inbox for a confirmation from Skype regarding your purchase. This email is good to keep as a reference for your transaction, should you need it in the future. And there you have it, a hassle-free guide to purchasing Skype credit for international calls. We've walked through accessing the website, selecting your calling plan, entering payment details, and finalizing the purchase. With these steps, you're now ready to connect with the world right from your browser. Thanks for watching, and happy calling.